Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. Well, in this lecture we are going to create one calligraphic brush. So for creating our own calligraphic brush, just click on this new icon inside this brush panel, and here it is. So just click on it and you will see a new window popping up saying new brush, and currently we are going to select the calligraphic brush. Since we didn't select any shape or something, we can't create the scatter brush or the art brush for now. Okay, so let's come to this. So let's create a new brush, that is a calligraphic brush. Now press OK and you will see this window popping up. Here at the top you can provide the brush name. Here you can provide the angle. See, when you are changing this angle is automatically changing, right? Here you can change the roundness of your brush, see, and you can get a preview here that what type of brush you are creating, and here you can control the size, see, just like this. And here you can control the here you can control that whether it will be a fixed angle or it will change. While creating scatter brushes, we will see that we will try to make it random, and we are going to have some variation percentage or variation degree that we will see, but for now let's make it fixed. And see, the brush tip is like this. Now click on OK. So now we have selected the calligraphic brush and it's here. So these are all calligraphic brushes. Now see, let's write cat. See, now your brush tip is like this. You can even sign here something. Oh my god. Okay, so this is just a calligraphic brush. Now one thing that I should tell you, let's select this one, 3-point round. This is a calligraphic brush. So using this, if you draw a stroke and you want to change its width profile, it will not change because it's a calligraphic brush. And the width profile is not acceptable for this calligraphic brushes, which is not in case of the basic brush. See, if you make it a basic brush, then it is accepting the width profiles. And see the this brush. So let's say, let's draw a line just like this, and using the line tool you can change the width profile. And let's select the brush tool. Let's draw a brush, draw a brush stroke, change it to basic brush. Okay, first of all let's select it using the selection tool. Now change it to basic brush, and now you can change the width profile. Increase the stroke and see. Okay, now let's do something interesting. Let's delete all of these. Let's delete this one also. Now let's select our spiral tool and draw some spirals. Again, for rotating, what to type here? R, right? Yep, see, just like this. Okay, and now let's increase its stroke and let's make it this one. See, this width profile. Also for this one also, let's make it this width profile. I think this one is having 3 points, so let's make it also 3 point. And for this one also, let's make it 3 point and also change the width profile to this one. See, it's really looking cool, isn't it? And here, say you can draw some leaf using the brush tool, say like this. Nope, it's a big brush. And another thing that I should tell you, that you can control the brush size, you know, and you can do that using the right bracket key and the left bracket key. If you use the left bracket key, your brush size will increase. See, let's increase it more and see, just like this. And if you want to reduce it, make sure to press the left bracket key. Let's select this one. This is, yep, this is cool. Let's delete this one and using the brush tool, let's select this one. Now you can even draw using the ellipse tool. See, draw an ellipse. Let's provide a fill color to it, and by using this anchor point tool, let's change this point to a corner point, and see, now it has become a leaf, right? And what you can do is select this anchor point, move it up, and select it using the selection tool. Make sure show bounding box is checked, and you can do that under the view menu. And now let's rotate it. Let's place it here. Let's rotate it more, a little bit. Always zoom in to work more efficiently. Okay, there you go. And always you can make a copy using the Alt key, right? And just right click on it, go to transform, reflect it vertically, click on OK. Well, if you were not getting about this reflection and all, don't worry, we will cover all of these but later on. For now, I'm just showing you what you can do using these. You can create really cool stuffs. Yes, friend. Okay, so that's it, guys. Let's delete all of these. It's looking really odd. So in this lecture, we have seen basic brush and a calligraphic brush. How we can use these calligraphic brushes and how we can create a calligraphic brush. Well, again, let's create one. Click on OK. And you will see a new window popping up. Here you can provide the brush name. Here you can control the angle, the roundness, and the size. And you can also make it random if you wish. Let's make the size random and variation. Let's make it 7 points, and now see. So this is the brush that we have created. See, every time we are creating a stroke, the width of the brush is not the same. Okay, let me press Ctrl Z. So you have got the concept, right? How we can create one calligraphic brush and how we can draw with it, and how we can use the basic brush. So yeah, and you can always convert a calligraphic brush, I mean a brush stroke, actually you can always convert one brush stroke from a calligraphic to basic. How? You have created this brush stroke, select it, make it a basic brush, and you can select a width profile just like this. Okay, so that's it guys. Here I am concluding this lecture. In our next lecture we are going to cover the scatter brush. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.